Commercial vehicles continue to experience rapid technology advancements, making it nearly impossible to rely on manual diagnosis for accurate and efficient service. Advanced diagnostic applications are more critical now than ever, and shops reflect that with their growing investments in these tools. Discover how to reduce dwell time in your shop while navigating the ongoing shortage of qualified technicians in the market trends section of our Outlook study. Our 2024 Outlook study presents research on technology trends and our economic outlook for the year. Download it for free today at nargon.com.